Hey you guys, thanks for tuning in. And from our new home, we're having our first Christmas in our new home in the Southwest. And to celebrate, we are giving away this JASION electric bike from my family to yours. There's gonna be one winner. Now this is a fully collapsible electric bike that'll fit in a trunk. It's got a pretty powerful rear electric motor, all the bells and whistles, electric horn. It's got a pretty bright light, all the stuff you'd expect in an e-bike. So anyway, this is gonna go to one of you guys, and the way you enter is basically you have to be a subscriber, you have to like the video, you have to leave a comment. Also, JASION has a couple of requirements. They're gonna be sending the winner one of these free straight to your home. This is a USA only giveaway, I almost forgot. So they're gonna ship it to you, but you have to be in the USA. Just look down in the description down below and check the full instructions on how to enter. Also guys, just be careful of scammers. There's a lot of people trying to impersonate YouTubers now, where they're taking their avatar and they're impersonating. So just be careful of that. If you do see me comment, you'll see the check mark at the end of my name, and that's YouTube's kind of way of verifying real YouTubers. Anyway guys, we want to wish you happy holidays, and from my family to yours, Mele Kaliki Maka and Merry Christmas! Blooper! Oh, wait. Merry... What are we doing, Mele?
You would always say Mele Kaliki.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Hey guys, welcome.
Okay, here we go. Whoa. You ride bike? Oh. Where's the light? Huh? And don't be like acting, because people can tell that.